It is, yeah, it's recording.
Hey, ladies and gentlemen, this weekend was the IMS show. Kevin and I, we were privileged to go out to the IMS show on Saturday and meet a lot of ladies and gentlemen that are now looking at the new BMW models, and we were actually able to swipe one of the new double R's.
For today.
Well,
for today.
We'll see.
So BMW gave us kind of a lucky card. We were able to get our hands on the brand new double R, like a lot of you guys did at the IMS show. But we were actually able to turn it on, mess with some of the electronic functions, and actually get it to start it, which was phenomenal. It sounds amazing, guys. With the new pipe that they've thrown on it, they've lost a lot of weight. They've added the shift cam technology, added 6 extra horsepower.
Lost some weight.
Lost a lot of weight.
Yep.
About 20 pounds from the old double R, which I know that's actually quite a bit. You're a sub 450 pound bike with gas. So, man, I mean, honestly, yeah. On the TFT dash, guys, it's cool. They get their own.
Nice.
They get their own little setup and all that.
So nice.
Guys, we're expecting these probably the third quarter. I've heard also maybe early into the summer, but when we get the first one, we'll be the first to let you know how it rides, how it performs, and we'll even show John here blowing some tires out on it.
Yeah, I wouldn't mind doing that.
Yeah.
But until then, guys, you need to come in, hang out with the bike, check out the bike. If it's something that you cannot live without, dude, we're taking deposits. If you want to be some of the first in the nation to actually enjoy this nice, new, fully redesigned S1000RR.
And there's actually 2 bikes. If you kind of think about it,
yeah.
You're going to have this, which is the Racing Red base standard bike, and then you will also have the Motorrad M edition, which will have upgraded parts and reduce the weight a little bit more and bump up your horsepower. Just a little bit. But until next time, guys, this is Kevin and
John. Thanks, guys.
Come see us at European Cycle Sports.